Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Super English Lessons, the happiest, funniest English class in the world.
You're learning English and having fun at the same time. That's a superpower.
Absolutely. You're doing great, and we're so proud of you. Today's topic is one of my favorites, a day at the zoo.
Yes, we'll talk about animals, tell funny stories, and of course, you'll repeat the words after us to practice your English.
So get ready to laugh, learn, and roar like a lion.
Roar.
Okay, maybe not that loud, Tom.
Sorry, I'm just excited. I love the zoo.
All right, everyone, let's begin. First, let's learn the word zoo. Repeat after me. Zoo. I like the zoo. I visit the zoo.
Great job. You sound awesome already. You're speaking like pros.
So, last weekend, Tom and I went to the zoo. It was sunny, full of families, children, and animals everywhere. Tom was so excited that he almost ran into the ticket booth.
Yeah, I saw a big picture of a giraffe and shouted, "Look, it's real!" But it wasn't. It was a poster.
Classic Tom moment.
Okay, my first story. So we walked to the monkey area. There were so many monkeys jumping around, climbing trees, and making funny sounds. I said, "Hi, little guys," and one monkey looked right at me. Then I took out a banana for me, just for me. I wanted a snack. But the monkey saw it and got ideas. He started pointing at me and making noise like, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. I said, "No, this is my banana." Then suddenly, he threw a peanut at me.
The monkey started a food fight.
Exactly. I had banana, he had peanuts, it was war. Everyone around laughed. I said, "Okay, fine, you win," and gave him the banana. He took it, smiled, and climbed away like a king.
The monkey lost to a monkey.
I did.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. Monkey. The monkey is funny. I see a monkey in the zoo.
Great job. You sound awesome already. You're speaking like pros.
Now, my turn. I love lions. They look so powerful and beautiful. So I walked to the lion's area, expecting to see him roar. But guess what? He was sleeping, just lying there with his paw over his face, like me on a Monday morning. I said, "Come on, Mr. Lion, wake up." But he didn't move. Then Tom came and said, "Maybe he's on vacation."
Yeah, even lions need a break from being awesome.
The funny part, when the zookeeper came with food, suddenly the lion opened one eye, looked at us, yawned the biggest yawn I've ever seen, and just turned around again.
He said, "Not today, humans."
Exactly. Okay, everyone, repeat after me. Lion. The lion is strong. The lion sleeps.
Wonderful. You all sound perfect. I can hear your lion voices already, proud and brave. Okay, my next favorite, the elephants, huge and smart. We saw 3 elephants playing with water. One elephant filled his trunk with water, and I thought, "Aw, so cute." Then suddenly, he turned his head and splash, water everywhere, on me, on Anna, on a poor man eating ice cream.
That was hilarious. Tom looked like a wet t-shirt commercial.
Yeah, I was drenched, and the elephant looked so proud, like, "Yes, I am the king of showers."
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. Elephant. The elephant is big. The elephant sprays water.
Beautiful. You're amazing. Smart like elephants and funny like monkeys.
My favorite part were the giraffes. So tall, so elegant. I was feeding one. The zookeeper gave me leaves. I held them out, and the giraffe bent down with that long neck and soft tongue. But I wasn't ready for how long that tongue is. When it touched my hand, I screamed. It felt like a wet towel.
The giraffe licked your whole hand.
Yes, and my hair too. I looked like I had giraffe hairstyle.
Giraffe salon, a new trend.
Okay, repeat after me. Giraffe. The giraffe is tall. The giraffe eats leaves.
Perfect. You're doing great. Amazing pronunciation. Okay, now let's talk about the tiger. I love tigers. Strong, beautiful, fast. I stood near the glass and said, "Hey, buddy." Then suddenly, the tiger jumped at the glass. Bam! I screamed so loud that 2 kids behind me laughed for 5 minutes.
You almost fainted.
Yeah, and then the tiger looked calm again, like, gotcha.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. Tiger. The tiger is strong. The tiger runs fast.
Great job. You're roaring with confidence. You're incredible, really.
The panda was the cutest. It was sitting like a baby eating bamboo. I watched it for 10 minutes. It looked so peaceful, eating, chewing, smiling. Then suddenly, it tried to climb a small tree and fell right on its back. But don't worry, it was fine. It just lay there, still chewing bamboo like nothing happened.
Lazy and adorable. I think I'm a panda in my next life.
Me too. Okay, everyone, repeat after me. Panda. The panda eats bamboo. The panda is cute.
Perfect. You're doing fantastic. If pandas could talk, they'd clap for you. And don't forget about the zebras. I said, wow, look at those stripes.
You called them black horses with style.
They really look like they're wearing pajamas. One zebra turned around and showed me my back. I said, nice pattern.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. Zebra. The zebra has stripes. The zebra runs fast.
Excellent. You're amazing. Your English stripes are shining.
My funniest moment was the parrot. The sign said, "This parrot can talk." So I said, "Hello." And it said, "Hello," back. I was shocked. Then Tom came and said, "You're beautiful." And the parrot said, "No, you're not."
That bird roasted me.
I almost fell down laughing.
That's the most honest animal in the zoo.
Okay, repeat after me. Parrot. The parrot can talk. The parrot is funny.
Great job, everyone. You're flying high with your English. Oh, the penguins, my favorite. So cute, walking like little people in tuxedos. I watched them walk, slide, and jump into the water. I said, I wish I could walk like that. So I tried and slipped on the wet floor.
Yes, Tom became the biggest penguin of the day.
Everyone clapped. Even the zookeeper said, nice try.
Okay, repeat after me. Penguin. The penguin is small. The penguin can swim.
Perfect. You're amazing. You sound great.
After all the animals, we were tired but happy. We sat on a bench, ate ice cream, and watched the sunset.
Yeah, and one peacock walked by and showed its big, colorful feathers. It looked like a superstar.
Like, look at me, humans.
And we said, okay, we see you.
All right, everyone. Repeat after me. Peacock. The peacock has beautiful feathers. The peacock walks proudly.
Wonderful. You're all stars, just like the peacock.
That was our day at the zoo, full of fun, laughter, and learning.
You did amazing today. You learned so many new animal names: monkey, lion, elephant, giraffe, tiger, panda, zebra, parrot, penguin, peacock. Wow.
You're all wonderful students. Give yourself a big smile and a clap. Pa-pa-doo, pa-doo.
Remember, learning English is like visiting a zoo, full of surprises and fun moments.
Yes, and you survived the monkey peanut attack with us.
You're brave, smart, and awesome.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Don't forget, practice your animal words and maybe tell someone your own zoo story in English.
See you next time on Speak Easy English.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye! And remember, stay wild and keep learning.